Hello, folks. Welcome. Before we get started with the 1K Payday review, I invite you to work with my internet coaches to help build your online income up to $10,000 a month. This is a massive opportunity for you folks. Many of us have entered into this particular program and are making some good money. So click on that first description in the below and you will find my coaches. Now, let's get back to the review. You can grab the product in the second link in the description at any point during this video, and when you do, I'll give you 5 exceptional bonuses. The first bonus explains how you can drive traffic after you purchase a PLR. It shows you how to modify and make PLR your own using tried and true strategies and techniques, and you can use this document to increase your sales. After all, it's a PLR document. Bonus number 2 shows you how to supercharge your online business with free traffic so that you can make money online. And bonus number 3 shows you how to act as a middleman on Fiverr. And when you get a high value gig, as an example, you can buy you can buy the promotion material on Fiverr and then sell it to your buyer at a higher price. Bonus number 4 shows you how to create a passive income, and this is a crucial point that it's recurring passive income, and you can do it with ease. Now, bonus number 5 shows you how to supercharge your results with an evolutionary system, letting you earn up to about $186 a day in just 3 simple steps. And you can only spend 15 minutes a day running the entire system. Now, not only that, you get a high converting website, and then all you have to do is turn on the traffic sources. Now let's get on with my review. Now the vendor of 1K Payday is Rajesh, and he's behind the Pinnacle PLR, which provides high quality PLR rights and products in evergreen niches. Now his products has over 5,300 sales, and he is up and coming creator and vendor who comes highly recommended. In a nutshell, 1K Payday is a comprehensive guide on how to gain an extra $1,000 per month with 10 different strategies. A great way to make extra cash in a faltering global economy. Now, here's a few things that you should know about this product. You're going to receive full PLR rights, so that you can edit and change and add your name or sell it just as it is. It's professionally designed graphics. It has high quality content and keeps 100% of the profit for yourself. It's a complete business in a box, and you can receive priority support from the Raj team. Now, what does it cover? Well, it covers, it provides a premium quality guide, a checklist, a mind map, a cheat sheet. You get a ready-made sales letter, a lead magnet, and opt-in page, professional graphics, quality articles, 10 of them. You get promotional email swipes. You get viral social media pack, and you get licenses and bonuses. Now, the front end, the front end is really a 6-day special, and it starts at $14.95, and depending on how the sales go, it goes up to $19.95, and that's on a dime sale. And after the launch, it's for $37. Now, there are 4 OTOs. The first one is a gold upgrade with complete PLR and bonuses. and includes 7 more modules of content and PLR videos, and that's for $37. OTO2 is a master sales rights for another gold upgrade and 7 more modules of content and PLR videos for $77. OTO3 is Pinnacle PLR membership for $27 per month or $197 a year, whereby you will receive 1 new Pinnacle PLR package monthly for a recurring monthly fee. And OTO4 is a done-for-you setup service for $97. Now watch for the downsells. You may get less product or a different product, but the downsells are a way to save some money. Now, if you need to know more, you click that second link below and get the full story. And before I go, don't forget to check out how to earn $10,000 a month in that first link below, and my 5 bonuses. Bonus number 1 shows you how to charge your online e-business and get access to a ton of free traffic. Bonus number 2, how to buy services from Fiverr and pocket the difference. Bonus number 3, how to earn recurring income easily. And bonus number 4, how to earn daily income using 3 simple steps while only spending 15 minutes a day to run the entire system. And bonus number 5, how to drive traffic after you purchase a PLR product. Now, thank you for watching, folks. See you.